In this video, I'll help you unlock the math skill, equations and formulas. My secret is showing you two keys that break down the critical information on this skill, making you master the skill effortlessly. We're exploring the balancing of equations. We've already covered these foundational lessons, and now we're tackling equations and formulas. In this section, you will learn what is a formula and what is the subject of a formula. Formulas are everywhere in maths. They're algebraic equations that show how different variables are connected. You've already seen them in action. What formulas have you used in your maths journey so far? Here are some examples. Finding area, calculating volume, working out interest in finance, figuring out probability, analyzing data, and many more. Every one of these is a tool for solving a specific real-world problem. And here's something you might not have noticed. In each formula, there's one variable on the left-hand side of the equal sign. This is called the subject of the formula. It's what you're trying to find. In a way, the subject is the goal of the problem. Think of a formula like a cooking recipe. The subject is the dish you're making, and the other variables are the ingredients. If the recipe says 3 eggs and you use 5, you don't just get a slightly different cake, you could completely ruin the texture and flavor. In the same way, if you substitute the wrong numbers into a formula, the entire answer will be wrong no matter how carefully you calculate. In this section, you will discover the exact steps to help solve these problems and bonus teacher tips. Let's see this in action. In your exam, these questions will look like short stories about real-life situations. They'll give you a formula, explain what each letter means, and hide the numbers you need inside the text. To remove the guesswork and stop common mistakes, I've created a repeatable 4-step process that works every time. Step 1, write down the formula. Step 2, write down the information given. List every value and its unit besides the matching variable. Step 3, substitute values into the formula. Step 4, solve the equation and write the final answer with units. Here are my additional teacher tips. If needed, read the question twice, underline the formula, and circle the variable you must find. At the end of every question, do a quick sanity check. Does your answer's size and unit make sense? You now know all the key information on this concept. However, can you solve all exam-style questions? Watch this next video to master questions easily.